This is part 2 of our tutorial about pages, and one, you can continue working on the iDoc that we've been creating so far with this Solutions Co. Or on the other hand, if you are just starting with us, you can go to File, Import iDoc as New Project, go to the desktop and choose Episode 7 Pages Part 2 in the iDocs directory and choose Episode 7-start.idoc, and that will start you off with where we are. Now what we're going to do first with this tutorial is we're going to select the second row and we're going to click and drag a table into that row. We want it to be one column by 3 rows. Click OK. And we want it to have a width of 298 pixels. Now what we're going to do with this table is we're going to create it to provide the ability for expansion, just in case we have any data-driven objects that we might add into this later. So first select the top row and let's make it have a height of 5 pixels. And then let's use Control-Shift-T for the formatting toolbar. And we want to give it a background image, again within our sample files, Episode 7, Pages Part 2, in the Images folder, of texttop.jpg. Now, we want to select the middle row, which is the expandable part, and give it a background image of textmid.jpg. Then finally, let's select the last row, make it 11 pixels high, and give it a background image of textbottom.jpg. Now let's right-click in that row and use an item in our pop-up menu known as Table Select and choose Table. And this is an important function, especially when you get a lot of stuff on your page and you want to be able to select rows, tables, cells, etc. So right-click Table Select is a very important function. Then the last thing we want to do for this table is we want to get rid of the borders and close our formatting menu. For the full tutorial, go to mockflock.com and search for Episode 7.